And if you didn't gorge yourself like crazy and have somewhere to put that mammoth stuff, then in the next maybe 2 weeks that you didn't get a lot of food, some fraction of the people with that particular kind of adaptation that wasn't prone to or physiologically, anatomically able to store excess energy away was just going to die. And their ancestors would not have and did not reproduce, which is why all extant humans today have the ability to store adipose tissue as a reservoir for calories, energy that we can use for later because of that predictable intermittency of calorie availability. It's curious that we're talking about how to lose fat. Notice we're not talking about how to gain fat, because we're really already super good at that. You've got a lot of seminars for people about how to get someone to work harder. How do I improve my diligence? Have you ever been to a laziness seminar? It would be absurd. Some people need it for sure. You and I probably do.
Yes.
But for most people, it's like, well, just like that's the default state. So for most people, the ability to gain body fat is default precisely because evolution has designed us to be damn good at that, precisely because we used to be intermittently starving. So when you get a bunch of food in you, it goes to a few places. The first place, once the food exits the GI tract that it goes, is the bloodstream, broken down into various molecules. Amino acids, which are the subcomponents of proteins, carbohydrates, typically glucose, fructose, as well as various parts of fat. And there's some places for them to go. Some of them just go through the bloodstream and get absorbed by all the various cells of your body. I mean, your brain cells need food, your liver cells need food, every cell needs food. And they just go and are used right in the cell right there. Some of those molecules of food, so to speak, are used to raise your blood sugar enough so that, if you don't have food for the next 15 minutes, you're not just going to drop over dead or something like that. Still another part can go into putting a little bit of fat into your skeletal muscle. Your skeletal muscle inside of itself has a little bit of fat reserve, which is cool. It serves some cool functions. It's not a lot of reserve. And still another part, and there's a couple of parts I'm sort of skipping for concise and